Hello to everyone, my friends, and welcome to our channel Global Perspective. And today I would like to discuss about fundamental rights of our constitution. What is these rights and how it evolves and conceptualized? All about fundamental rights would be discussed in this video. So first of all, we look what is fundamental rights. Then fundamental rights are the basic human rights that are recognized and protected by a country's constitution. These rights are essential for the dignity, well-being, freedom of individuals. They provide citizens with certain protections and privileges that are meant to ensure fairness, justice, and equality within the society. In the video, we will delve into the concept of fundamental rights, their importance, types, and their significance in maintaining a just a democratic society. In this next, we understand what is importance of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights play a crucial role in safeguarding individuals' liberties, ensuring that the citizens are treated fairly by the government and other individuals. These rights establish a framework that prevents the government from overstepping its authority and infringing upon citizens' personal freedoms. They are a key component of a democratic society, ensuring that the state respects the autonomy and dignity of its citizens. How many types of fundamental rights do you know, my friends? Fundamental rights can be broadly categorized into 6 main types. First, right to equality. This includes the right to equality before the law, prohibitions of discrimination on various grounds, and right to equal protections of the law. This is the first freedom, fundamental freedom. And second, right to freedom. This encompasses freedom of speech and expression, freedom of assembly, freedom to form associations, freedom of movement, freedom to reside and settle in any parts of the country, and freedom to practice any professions. And third, right against exploitations. This includes prohibitions of forced labor and child labor and safeguards against the human trafficking. And fourth, right to freedom of religion. This guarantees the freedom to practice, profess, and propagate any religion, subject to certain restrictions that may be imposed in interest of public order, morality, or health. Cultural and educational rights is the 5th point. These rights aim to protect the interest of linguistic and religious minorities, as well as the right of any section of citizens to conserve their culture, language, or script. They also ensure the right to ensure education for all children aged 6 to 14. And 6 fundamental rights, rights to constitutional remedies. This ensures that the citizens can approve courts for enforcement of their fundamental rights. It empowers citizens to seek legal remedies in case of violations of their rights. What is the significance of fundamental rights? Do you know, my friends? First, protection of individual liberty. Fundamental rights protect individuals from arbitrary actions by the state or other citizens, ensuring that personal freedoms are upheld And second, equality and social justice. These rights promote social equality by prohibiting discrimination and ensuring equal treatment and opportunities for all citizens. And third, democratic governance is the most important. Fundamental rights are a cornerstone of democratic governance as they limit the power of government and prevent authoritarianism. And fourth, cultural pluralism. Cultural and educational rights protected the interest of minority communities, fostering cultural diversity and pluralism within the nation. And fifth, access to justice. That means the right to constitutional remedies enable the citizens to seek legal recourse when their rights are violated, thereby ensuring accountability and transparency in governance. And sixth point, balancing state power. Wow! Fundamental rights strike a balance between the authority of state and the rights of individuals, preventing governmental abuse of power. At the end, we consider what are challenges and limitations of fundamental rights. Of course, it has challenges and limitations. While fundamental rights are essential, they are not absolute. Certain restrictions can be imposed on these rights in the interest of national security, public order, morality, and health balancing. Balancing individuals' rights with the complex challenge. Additionally, ensuring effective enforcement of these rights and overcoming socio-economic disparity remains persistent challenge in many societies. And finally, we can find as a conclusion of fundamental rights, fundamental rights are the bedrock of a just and democratic society. They protect individual liberties, promote equality, and serve as a safeguard against governmental abuse of power. By upholding these rights, a nation ensures the well-being and dignity of its citizens, fosters cultural diversity, and reinforces democratic principles. It is crucial for governments and citizens alike to respect, protect, and uphold these rights to create a society that values freedom, justice, and equality. Then, that's the whole about fundamental rights. Thank you, my friends, for listening me, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for information of next upcoming informative video. Thanks.